future pediatrician, a doctor who is specifically trained in diagnosis and treatment for infants and children, physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Nowadays, we have a lot of great professional pediatricians that we can rely on to treat and cure any children's illnesses. And being one of them, I believe that they can also do a great help to the increasing number of young patients who need immediate treatment for their overall well-being. Once again, this is Arania Luis Elvico, your pediatrician, always ready to treat and care for the sick kids and children. Thank you.